we have to use the coordinates to graph AB segment and CD segment. Then we have to check if segment CD is rotation of AB segment about the origin. If so, we have to give the angle and direction of rotation. So first, he will draw XY plane. Y-axis. And X-axis. We have to choose the unit. Now first point A has coordinates -2, 1. So -1, 2 and 1. So this is our A. Next we have B has coordinates -1, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this is our B. So we have segment AB. And now we have to find segment CD. C has coordinates 1, 2. And D 3, 1. 3, 1. Now we will connect this two points and we have segment CD. We know that rotation turns a figure about a fixed point, called the center of rotation. And we know that translations, reflections and rotations are three types of congruence transformation. A congruent transformation changes the position of the figure without changing its size or shape. We have to tell wherever CD segment is rotation of AB about the origin. So now we have to use protractor and we have check if every point of our segment is rotate by the same angle. So to do this we have to use protractor. First we will draw the line which pass point A and origin, and now we will connect origin with point C. We will draw the line, the ray, and now let's check the angle. We have to put our protractor in the origin and first ray. So we see that we move point A to point C to 90 degrees. What will be with point B? So we have to check, connect point B with origin and point D with origin. Next we will put our protractor on this line and origin, and we see that point B we moved by 90 degrees to point D. So we have here, like this, that measure of angle A, let's put that this is origin O, C, AOC is equal to measure of angle BOD and is equal 90 degrees. We are going to this way, 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees clockwise rotation because we are moving like a clock to the right. So we can write that this is a 90 degrees clockwise rotation. So we check only characteristical points A and B. If these 2 points are moved by rotation of origin, in this case by 90 degrees, it means that the rest of these points between A and B are moved by the same angle too. So this is my solution.